Hello everyone. Welcome to Step by Step English. Today we are going to learn greetings in English. Hello, how are you?
Hi, I am fine, thank you, and you?
I am good, thanks for asking.
Good morning.
Good morning, how's it going?
I am pretty good. What about you?
Not bad, thank you.
Good afternoon, what's up?
Good afternoon, I am just chilling, and you?
Not much, just relaxing.
That's nice, enjoy.
Good evening, what's new?
Good evening, I am just listening to music. What about you?
I am reading a book.
Explanations. Now you know how to greet people in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.